Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today we're going to fit the final piece to the puzzle. So I've been meaning for a while to get the spoiler from Maxton, the lip kit, to fit on top of there, just to finish the car off since we've got the kit around the rest. So at the moment, as it sits, we've got the Maxton V4 front splitter, we've got the Maxton side skirts that run down the sides there, and we've got the Rego rear diffuser, which is a little bit less aggressive than the Maxton one, but I kind of prefer the way it sits, and it also is a bit easy to install. But we don't have a spoiler lip on there, so that is today's job. So a massive thank you to Progressive Parts for sending this out to me. They always hook me up, they always sort me out. They've got great prices and they're very good with their customer service, so please check them out in the link below. So here we go. So there's the part itself. It's just literally a 3M adhesive jobby, so it should be nice and easy as long as you line it up right. And I do believe also Progressive Parts have sent me very generously a million air fresheners, which is great because I don't have any in this car at the moment, so I'll let you know what these smell like, but they look pretty cool. So then in the box you get your usual Maxton design sticker, you get your instruction manual, which effectively just says make sure you don't cock it right up, and you actually get a 3M surface cleaner sachet as well, which is really handy because you can just quickly clean off where you're going to adhere it to. Now of course you've got the peely plastic on there, but then it is literally just line the thing up, peel off the adhesive thing there, and just send it. So that is exactly what we're going to do. So the way I've vaguely measured it by hand is it lines up with this line here and that line there, and there's about a finger's width gap between this blade and there on both sides. So I just need to move this up a little bit so it's in line, another finger's width gap there, and then send it. But you see what I mean here about these badges? This one is in the middle and this one is not in line with that, so I don't quite know what that's about, but to me this one on this side looks centered, but that one doesn't. But there we are. So I'm now just going to go along and press really firmly down on the adhesive all the way, just to make sure that I get a good contact before peeling off the film. And now the super satisfying part. There we go. It's got a little bit of residue along the edges that I just need to clear up.